Welcome, Your Excellency, and all other distinguished guests. My name is Engineer Mutua from Public Works. Yes, so this particular project, it is Kegonga Level 4 Hospital. The scope of works, we have builders works from ground level up to fourth floor. We're also doing associated mechanical, electrical, civil, and other external works. Now, for this particular project, when you look at the ground floor, this is the ground floor plan. So on the left, you have the emergency and casualty and other administrative offices. And on the right, we have outpatient department. Then when you go to the first floor, it is mainly maternity, whereby we have delivery and newborn unit and postnatal wards. Then second floor, there's female wards, that is 40 beds. Then pediatric wards, these ones are for the children, 40 beds. Then we go to the third floor plan, whereby we have male wards, 40 beds. We have 10 beds male surgical wards and 10 beds orthopedic male wards. And then for the fourth floor, it is mainly operation theater and ICU advanced unit. And when the project will be completed, it will look like this. Very good. This is the 3D model. So this is the status of the project. Okay.
Tusaidie kujenga hii hospitali jamani. Tukimaliza hapa nitawapangia kazi nyingine. Ndio. Mtangangana. Niko na hostels hapo nataka kujenga kwa hii KMTC kwa hapa. Na niko na kazi nyingine mingi hapa. Sasa nyinyi mjipange. Sawa sawa? Kila mtu apate riziki kidogo. Kazani. Nawatakia heri.
Wake una